I want to make this video just because I searched and I could not find a video that was able to help me solve my problem. This is a 2017 Acadia 3.6. We use this as a daily driver. We have not had a single issue for a while, and then all of a sudden we come home, we park it in the driveway, go to restart 5 minutes later, and it just clicks, would not start. I want to tell you what the problem was. First thing I did was try to put a starter in it. That didn't solve it. Upon more testing, the issue ended up being this thing right here. This fuse connects, it's supposed to sit right there, but this one is bad. I'm about to go to the parts store and pick one up. So if anyone is having a click, no start issue all of a sudden randomly on their Acadia, give this a try. So that's supposed to sit right there. I'm about to go to the store, pick one up, and put it back.